grapevine, pretty white flowers, and my favorite garland from Michael's. I found this garland last year. It's got a very strong spine, and I've been using it for everything. You guys, it's got amazing greenery. It's got lots of beautiful details, and it just makes my lemon and bow wreath look that much prettier. So this is a beautiful fabric bow, and I used the method we used in Italy back in the day, and a beautiful lemon attachment. As you see above, we have two different sizes. So we're just going to start filling our grapevine, and this is part of that garland I was showing you. It has lots of different greenery, different textures, different colors, and I just love that. So I cut down the garland, and you don't see this part, but I am dipping it into my glue pot before inserting it onto my grapevine. So I started with going around the pretty bow, and then I'm inserting also some different darker greenery to mimic the lemon leaves. And I'm just sporadically put them here and there. The grapevine that we used, it is a 16-inch round grapevine. The lemon and the bow come as a set, but they also come separate. And I will put the link below. You'll be able to get them from my website. And friends, if you go on my website and you sign up for the affiliate program, guess what? You earn money. You sure do. So if I were you, I will go check it out. I would sign up for the affiliate program, and then anything you purchase or someone that you provide a link purchase from my website, you earn a commission. How cool is that? So I decided to add a little bit of ribbon, not a full bow. I just made one loop with two tails with two different blues, because it really did go very well with our big fabric bow, and just bring some of the color down to make it more of a uniform look. And then I decided to, of course, put in a little bit more greenery and do the same one loop, two tails, and put it right behind my lemon so that you see the tails. And again, the color is uniform and it goes from top to bottom, the blue, because we are also going to put in some lemons, and we are going to bring that yellow up. And there we go, the star of the show, our pretty lemons. I purchased one long branch and cut it down into three, which was absolutely perfect for this wreath. So don't forget to come on over to nadiascrafts.com. Check out all our attachments, and make sure you check out our affiliate program and see what else we have in store for you, and so many more surprises coming up. See you soon, you guys.